So this table requires filling in. That's pretty obvious. What we need to do is look at the top, complete the table. That's the command words there, complete the table, listing the smart property of the listed materials and state an application for which each material is typically used. So we've got a couple of things to do here. One mark per box. It should be relatively simple, but just to help us on our way, we know that these smart materials on the left hand side, the clue of what they do and how they respond to a stimulus, the definition of a smart material is in the name. So thermochromic pigment, we've got heat and colour. Photochromic, we've got light and colour, and then shape memory, we've got shape and original shape in there as well. So let's get to it and start off with thermochromic pigment. We know that it changes colour in response to a temperature change. There's a mark, and there's lots of different applications for this. The one that springs to mind is the flat, thin thermometers that you get. Sometimes you see them stuck on the side of fish tanks. In thermometers that are thin, flexible, and lightweight. So it's important to talk about a very specific application here. So I've mentioned thermometers and a reason why. And then photochromic pigment. This changes colour in response to changes in light levels. And a use for these, again, there's lots of different variety of uses, but the one that springs to mind is the glasses that changes their tint as the light levels increase to protect the user. As you can see with the application, I've probably gone above and beyond here. I could just put in glasses, but I think it's really worth talking about what actually happens in the glasses. So spend a bit of time here. Got plenty of time in the exam to fill in lots of detail. So don't just put glasses, thermometers, add a little bit of detail to these. And then the shape memory alloy changes back to its original shape in response to heat. And a good use of this, one example is nitinol, that is used in glasses frames or spectacle frames, so that they return to their original shape if they ever get bent. You might have seen some adverts of these being scrunched up and then they sort of pop back at room temperature, which is great. I hope that helps.